What's up everybody, Thomas here, we back again. Today we're working on the 1985 Merkur XR4Ti. Today we're going to be replacing a fuel filter. This is just a filter that goes in the fuel line. The fuel goes in, comes out, and it's filtered. Dirt and other things come out of it, and it goes into the engine a bit cleaner. So I don't think the old one on this vehicle on my vehicle has been replaced yet, so we're going to be replacing it today. It's located just underneath the car right here. I've already got it lifted up, so we're ready to jump right into it. I'll take you down there and show you what we're going to have to be dealing with. So here we are underneath the car, and this guy right here is the fuel filter. There's a cover on it, so we're going to have to take the cover off first. There's a clamp on it, so we'll have to take that off to get the first fuel line off. And then there's a quick disconnect on this side here. So we disconnect that, take it off real quick, and then put the whole thing back together. Really a fairly simple process. It shouldn't take too long. The reason we're doing this, actually, I forgot to mention, is there is an acceleration issue with the vehicle. It accelerates very slowly, so I'm hoping that maybe the filter is just kind of clogged up. So we'll check that after by seeing how hard it is to blow through it. If it's fairly clean, well, we'll probably have to find some other thing that could be causing the issue. If it is fairly hard to blow through, then that was probably the issue, and we can test drive it and see. If it's still not fixed, then there's obviously another problem. If it is fixed, then we're all good. Let me get started here. 2 bolts holding this little plastic cover on, and yeah, let's go for it. I think you can kind of see what's going on. So anyways, we're going to take out these bolts. They are, I thought they would be 10 mils, but looks like they're not. Okay, 11. So ready? Just unbolt this cover. That's bolt number 1. There's another bolt top in this corner here. That's the other bolt for the cover off. Okay, now this whole thing can just kind of come down if I wanted to. But, okay, so now we'll take off this first fuel line. It's pretty easy. Just pull it off. You just want to, oops, I'm pouring gasoline everywhere. But if you can see this, you just want to pull the tabs to the side, basically. Alright, now we can pull out this part of the fuel filter, like so. Oh, okay. Then, hold on to that for now. Just, I didn't really think this through. I really do not need fuel to pour everywhere right now, so I'm just put it up here, like so. Okay, that should work. Loosen the clamp. Alright, it's completely loose. Now we just gotta pop out the old one. Oh, okay, 1 second. Take the old one out, put the new one in. And it seems pretty new, actually, but, well, we got the brand new one anyway, so. Install that. Tighten this clamp up. Okie doke. And of course, put this back up. Through the hole. There it is. And just clamp this clamp back on, or clip the clip back on, and then put your bolts in. So easy to get out, so hard to put it back in. Well, I just had to say something and that fixed it. Okay. So the new fuel filter is installed. This is the old one. It actually looks quite new, so I'm wondering if it's maybe been replaced fairly recently. But that's fine. We're gonna check it out anyways. So now what we're gonna do is just gonna grab a pipe and blow through the filter and see how hard it is to blow through it, because that will tell us, explain later. Okie doke, so I've just created a little adapter. We're just gonna blow through this and see how easy it is to blow through. If it's really easy to blow through, then it's probably a fairly new filter. Oops, well, I just got fuel on my adapter now. Okay, it's still quite full of fuel. Oh, well, that's pretty easy to blow through. Whoops. Well, it's not, I wouldn't say it's restricted. I probably should have tested the new one before I put it in. That would have been a smart idea. I mean, if you blow on it, air comes out pretty good. So, I mean, we just blew a bunch of fuel out of it. So I'd say it's likely that this fuel filter isn't a problem. But we got a new one in there now anyway, so we might just save this in case we need to reuse it later. So yeah, so when you blow on it, you can see it moving. It moves pretty good. So I think this filter was actually okay. So there's now a couple other things that we'll probably need to check. So we're gonna check the timing again. For one thing, maybe it's just come off by a tooth or something, and that's why it's not allowing it to like accelerate. Things could be maybe the injectors themselves are clogged. Okie doke, guys. So I just got it. Oops. Got the timing all lined up. So I'll show it to you. I've done the timing in a lot of other videos, so you can check specifically the timing video out and stuff. It's a really simple procedure just to check it. I'll show you what the results are. And anyways, that is the cam gear, the sprocket cam gear with the right tooth, whatever you want to call it. It is correct. And if you look down here, it's lined up with the TDC marker thing on the cover. So that is good. Now I'm gonna just do 2 rotations real quick. So this is 2 whole turns later. We're lined up again down there, and we are lined up again right there. Yes, you can see it. Yeah. So our timing is good, guys. So that's good. I'm just gonna take it off the jack here, off the jack stand, and then start it up and kind of see how it revs, how it feels. So we'll try that, and I'll be back in 1 second. Okie doke, we're back on the ground now, so let's see. Oh, yeah, battery got no power. That's not good.